Good morning, students. Today our topic is transistor biasing circuits. So, as we all know that transistors are one of the largely used semiconductor devices which are used for wide variety of applications such as for amplification as well as for switching purposes के लिए. However, to achieve the function satisfactorily, which functions like for applications like amplification and switching purposes, to work these functions in a satisfactory manner, the transistors has to be supplied with a certain amount of a current as well as a certain amount of voltage. And the process of setting these conditions for a transistor circuit is referred to as a transistor biasing. Because the purpose we have to use the transistors for as well as for wide variety of applications like for amplification and for switching purposes, that is the main function of the transistors. And for the satisfactory work of transistor, it has to be use a certain amount of current and voltage, and the process of setting these conditions for a transistor circuit is referred to as a transistor biasing. So by transistor biasing, the question came our mind is like why we need biasing, what is the reason we need biasing. So as we all know that we want to use transistor to amplify a signal. The basic reason of the transistor for using it in a circuit, its motive is to amplify a signal. That is why we need transistors. And as we all know that transistor is a 3-terminal device and it has 2 junctions. ठीक है, one is emitter junction and another is the collector junction. Clear? If both junctions are forward bias, the transistor is in the saturation region. And if the both junctions are reverse bias, the transistor is in the cutoff region. But as I told you earlier that we want transistor to use to amplify a signal. So for this, the transistor needs to be in the active region. ठीक है, when we do like quiescent point and operating point of the transistor, I told you earlier that transistor work efficiently when it is in the active region. So for this, the transistor needs to be in the active region. In the active region, the emitter should be forward biased and the collector junction should be the reversed bias. To correctly bias these 2 junctions, we need an arrangement of voltage source and resistors. And this arrangement is known as the biasing arrangements. ठीक है, so biasing is needed to set the transistor in the active region so that it will amplify. I think from here the topic is clearly like I don't think so there's any doubt in the topic like why we need biasing. हमें biasing इसलिए चाहिए ताकि हम ट्रांजिस्टर हमारा एक्टिव रीजन में हो, जिससे वो ट्रांजिस्टर हमारा क्लियरली हमारे सिग्नल को एम्पलीफाई करे. सो द टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर सर्किट्स. सो दे आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर सर्किट्स एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर्किट इज द सेल्फ बायस और which is also known as the voltage divider bias or potential divider bias. Most of the students question me, ma'am, does self bias and voltage divider bias is the same? Yes students, voltage potential divider bias भी हम इसको बोलते हैं, voltage divider bias भी इसको बोल सकते हैं and self bias भी इसको बोल सकते हैं. So we have 4 types of biasing circuit, that is fixed bias circuit, emitter bias circuit, self bias or voltage divider bias or potential divider bias circuit, and the 4th one is collector to base bias circuits. ठीक है, तो अब हमें यहाँ से पता चल गया ट्रांजिस्टर बायसिंग सर्किट्स क्या है, हमें बायसिंग क्यों हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड व्हाट द टाइप्स ऑफ बायसिंग सर्किट. इन अनदर वीडियो वी विल केम टू नो अबाउट द फिक्स्ड बायस सर्किट. थैंक यू.